Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis. And today we're going to check the Crypto Fear and Greed Index before we get into the daily analysis on Dogelon Mars and the overall market. My beautiful friends, we are moving back into the neutral state. However, we are still in fear. We will be in neutrality sentiment probably tomorrow or the next day. So keep your eyes open. If you guys have been following this channel, especially if those of you in the Patreon, you are up like 100x right now. So congratulations, all of you guys that have been following along. Alright, this is the chart right now. Look at this huge pump we have seen within the past few days. Within the past 3 days, 1, 2, 3, we are currently on the 4th day, and we are seeing an inverse hammer, which means, oh my gosh, excuse me guys, excuse me. That was absolutely nasty. This means we are seeing selling pressure at this 1890 level near the 19s, which is normal, and it is actually a good thing. Whenever you see it pump all the way, we don't want it to pump too hard, because as it pumps too hard, the people like us that got in, especially those of you that I issued the buy and sell alerts in the Patreon, those of you guys that are in, you guys are going to dump all your bags when it pumps about 200%. And that's not, we don't want that. We want to sell at a 10x, guys. This is going to the moon. And we are just now starting to see upward movement. So this is what we need to see in order for this to be a healthy retracement in the future, and to even average more into this position. So today, on the daily candle, there's one of two things that can happen in order for this to be considered a healthy retracement. First, this is the extremely bullish scenario. We will close above the 1665 level on the daily candle. If that happens, then there is no point in averaging more. However, if it breaks down and it comes down to these 1528 levels, starts showing a strong buying pressure here, that is confirmation to add more bags, to average more, or if you have not gotten in for some odd reason, if you're just now finding out about Dogelon Mars, that's completely fine too. Hit that subscribe button, because I tell you guys every single day, I keep you updated on what's happening in the charts. If it comes down to here, test these 1528 levels, shows strong buying pressure on these smaller candles, then that will be confirmation to get in. Now, if you have no clue what I am saying, if you are very new to this, that is okay. That is very much okay. First off, I teach you guys how to read the charts and get in at the best prices. So whenever these parabolic moves happen, we are ready to start averaging out. However, so a lot of you guys I see are starting to jump the gun and sell your bags here. And that is not the smart move. That is not the smart move to do. We haven't even broken our previous all-time high, okay? Once we break this, we are absolutely going to the moon. And we need to watch these 37 levels. Now, how did I get there? I showed you guys how I got that resistance in a few videos ago. But if you really want to learn, then you're just going to have to wait. You're just going to have to wait, or go check out the course. It's in the description. You'll learn all of this stuff. Okay, what we want to what we want to know and see is a retracement down to this 1538 level with strong buying pressure moving to the upside. That will be the best move here, because if we close above this 236 Fibonacci level, this 675, that means we have a lot of buyers that bought in down here ready to sell their bags. However, if we see a nice retracement down to here, that means the weak paper hands are selling their bags, right? And then we see confirmation that more people are either adding to their bags or getting into this beautiful coin, which pushes it higher, and then we'll continue our move to the upside. That's the most natural thing, because we don't want to see a huge pump, because if we see a huge pump, we're going to see a huge crash, okay? That's what we need to look for. Everything is looking beautiful. Yeah, guys, I mean, I'm updated on this. I got my alerts going. I'm watching these charts 24/7, my friends. So if you want, not daily, but whenever the best time to buy and sell, and updates on the overall market and what's going on with the news in Dogelon Mars, Consider joining the Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description. There's a few spots left. People are going crazy right now. Crypto Baronet 69, hit that subscribe button. People are going crazy right now, so the spots are filling up very quick. I just want to go ahead and pull out this overall Fibonacci level to see what we are looking at here. Look at this. All right, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So just like I said, this level here at the 675, that's where our 0.5 Fibonacci level is. No, excuse me. That's where our 0.382 Fibonacci level is, which is even more beautiful. If we show strong support above this, then we will be heading up to these all-time highs. No problem. We will probably see a little bit of selling pressure around these 21 levels, but nothing that we can't handle, all right? Really, what we want to see is that retracement back down and then a push higher, because that shows natural movement instead of just going parabolic. But either way, we are looking to be heading higher on this chart. And the only way that we are going to head back down is if the overall market just decides to tank, if Bitcoin decides to tank. But this, oh my gosh, look how many people are watching this coin right now. It has, there's so many now. It has added, I started watching this around 100,000 people watching on the watch list. So it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Guys, we are in store for a absolutely life-changing run. And we are going to be averaging out along the way and averaging back in along the way to maximize our gain. Now, if you want to learn how to do this by yourself, I have that crypto course, and it is literally all my information that I have learned along my journey from going from being a broke 18-year-old kid, working at McDonald's and another job. McDonald's is just the one that everyone knows. They're like, oh my gosh, you worked at McDonald's? But yes, I did. And it was very, very, very... sucked. It sucked, okay? It sucked, but I started trading crypto, and now I make 5 figures a month. So if you want to learn how to do that with all the knowledge that I learned, go check out the course. It is 50% off, Christmas special, so it's ending in a few days. I'm pretty sure it's ending tomorrow, so go check that out. Anyways, we need to watch a push up to these 21 levels. 20 to 21 levels, that's our next point of resistance, and we really, really, really want to see it break through that, because these next all-time highs, there's nothing stopping us after we break these 21 levels. We're moving, and we are moving freaking fast, my guys. Look at it, all this consolidation throughout the past couple weeks. We've been averaging in this whole time. Now, all of us are in a profit. All of us are in a profit. Just HODL. That's all we need to do. It's literally now it's a point of time where the only roadblock is your mind. And this is one of the first videos that I make in the course. It's talking about crypto and emotion. How these big players want you guys to feel, want us to feel, the retail traders, right? And this is how they manipulate our emotions. They pump it high, making us want to buy, and then retrace it. They literally watch how many people get in. They literally watch how many people buy, how many new investors are getting in this coin, and then push it lower so those new investors will sell out. And then after they sell out, they move it higher so the new investors will reinvest back in. Now, if they see the ratio of new investors are increasing every time they move it higher, they're going to keep moving it higher and higher and higher, and then they're going to hold, because all those new investors will push it even higher. Those big money players are going to sell their bags, leaving the retail investors with a loss. They're going to leave it with a loss. And when the retail investors sell, guess who they're selling their bags to? They're selling their bags to the people that just moved it higher and sold at the top, because those big money players are buying the bags from the retail investors that are selling at a loss. If that sounds complicated, that's okay, my friends. I make it very simple. I go over with charts and everything. So go check that out. Anyways, this is what we're looking at overall, and it is looking beautiful. The volume has been tapering down, but we are starting to see it thicken up, and this is how I know we are absolutely going to go berserk in the future, because look at this volume, okay? Look at the volume. It is about as big as here, okay? But look at the moves we are making. Do you know why we are making this many moves right now? This much percentage in 3 days? No, this is the reason. Because all of the sellers are out of this coin. The only people left are there to buy. We have created a new floor around 10. And that is a fact. That is 100% a fact. We have created a new floor around this 10. And in order for it to break through this, will take a whole lot of sellers that we simply do not have right now. And we won't have, especially because the overall market is starting to reverse, my friends. This is beautiful. We just need a HODL. We probably will see a retracement, which is 100% normal. And it's honestly better if we do see a retracement. Now, to the extent of a retracement, we could see it come down to this 1354 level, 0.5 Fibonacci. That would be completely fine too. But if we do come down to this level, we want to see strong buying pressure. And yeah, the healthiest would be right around this 1538 or that Fibonacci level that I showed you guys. I don't remember the exact number, but you guys know the number because I literally just said it when I'll just do it again. Making money. This 1538 level, yeah. Okay. That would be the healthiest retracement. Then we're moving higher. Up to these 20s. Testing the 20s. Psychological barrier. Going to move through it. We are heading up. Okay, so the biggest thing that we need to do right now is to HODL. And HODL strong. Because this volume we see here, this is going to look so minuscule in the grand scheme of things. Like, I don't think you guys quite understand how big this coin is going to get. Okay? Ask me how I know that. I know that because I rode the Shiba Inu wave, and we have seen this over and over again. I've been telling you guys this for the past, like, at least month now, that this is going to happen, and it's starting to happen. So, here we go. Strap in, my friends. We're fueling up the rocket, and we are heading to Mars. We got to stop at the moon first. Okay, this is where we're stopping. First stop is the moon. All right. We're going to stop at the moon. And then we're probably going to retrace a little bit because the moon has a strong gravitational pull, but not really. So it's just like, we could stop here and land here, but we're going to retrace a little bit, fuel up a little bit more. And then we're going to Mars. All the way up to Mars. All right. This is where we're headed. All right. This is what, okay, in order for us to get to this level here, this will be, I don't know what's going on here. Okay. I'm trying to, here we go. All right, ready? In order for us to get to this level here, 1,000% gain. That's easy. Easy, easy. That's a 10x or thereabouts. It's a 10x if you learn how to day trade, not day trade, but swing trade and buy at the dips like this and sell at the peaks. If you learn how to do that, you'll be making 10 to 20x on just this measly 1,000x run, okay? But in order for us to get to this point, we need to go mainstream. We need to hit news articles just like Shiba Inu. We need to make waves in the marketing, which we are doing around the world. We have posters up everywhere, which is beautiful to see that. And, yeah, guys, everything is looking great on the marketing, on the news, on the price action. We are just setting up for a absolutely parabolic move. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, guys, shoot. I don't know what else to say. Go check out the course if you want to get it. You will literally learn everything you need to know so you never have to watch a video again. You can trade independently for the rest of your freaking life. Yeah. My friends, the biggest thing in the course, though, in my opinion, is the emotional cycles. Once you learn, like, the basic technical analysis and stuff, like support, resistance, how to use a couple more indicators other than just this Fibonacci level that I've been showing you guys, then it gets super easy. Once you learn how to read candlesticks and whatever emotional cycles are the biggest thing. What are the institutional big money players thinking at a specific time? Once you watch the first video, you'll be able to know that, and you'll be able to know when a good time to get in is. All right, my friends, Crypto Billionaire 69. I'm going to go have a beautiful day and make some more videos for you guys. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.